Hello everyone, I'm Tuấn. Today is Thursday, uh, 27th June and 2022. Okay. I will practice true sound, ear, and L. Okay. Uh, Let me check. Sorry. Ear. Okay. L, A, E, A. Okay. Okay, let's get started right now. Okay. We follow the video and uh shadowing this video. Okay, I will turn on this video and I will shadow with this video. Okay. First we start with sound ear. Ear. Okay.
This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced ear.
Ear.
Did you notice how the shape of my mouth changed from the beginning to the end of the sound? Listen and watch. Ear.
Ear. Ear. Ear.
Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Ear.
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 In fact, this is the same as the word ear, which you hear with.
Ear.
Now here are some
Ear.
words with this sound in them. Near,
Near.
here,
Here.
weary.
Weary.
Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Near,
Near.
here,
Here.
weary.
Weary.
Good.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, I think you're very good. Okay, so the next sound, we will practice A, A, E. Chúng ta đọc lại. Uh, we speak A, Fay, Day. Okay, let's get started right now. A.
Is from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced A.
A.
Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? A.
A.
Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat. A.
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 Now here are some words that have the A sound. Face.
Face.
Day.
Day.
Break.
Break.
Now you try. Listen and repeat. Face.
Face.
Day.
Day. Day. Day.
Break.
Break. Break.
Good.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I think you can make it better than me. Okay, so I have done my homework today. So bye, see you the next time. Bye.